The Starling Smart Bassinet includes 6 months of CryAssist. To activate CryAssist, tap the CryAssist icon, or scroll down and tap Activate CryAssist. Take a few moments to read about some of the benefits of CryAssist. Review and accept the terms and conditions. CryAssist is now active on your device. When crying is detected nearby, the device will automatically translate the cry, sending results to the app. Tap the color translation bubble to review cry details. You can also access summaries and reports. From the device screen, tap this icon to open the CryAssist menu, then tap Summaries and Reports. Here you can review the translation of your baby's cries, covering past days and even weeks.